Me and Lani here at Murasaki looking some sexy swimsuit. And this is my outfit for today, everyone. Busog naming Lani, nangaon namin dito ni habhab na ko og daghan. Oh my god. Wala na akong diet ani. I can't eat no more till tomorrow. Hello, Madam Nora. Ang cute ng mga swimsuit nila, everyone. Pag-aarte ba ni mo, day? Nagtanaw-tanaw ra gay mi, day. Hello, Ate Eving. So this is my outfit for today, everyone. I'm wearing this one-piece jump short from Forever 21. My slipper is from Wear Nowhere. And my bag is from Louis Vuitton, Dadamere. Okay. So this is my outfit for today. Kisses, everyone. Wala lang. Nag-shopping lang Milani dito sa RU Mall today.